AI edits previously had no recovery path, so a small change meant rebuilding by hand. To improve your efficiency, the Workflow AI Builder now tracks every iteration it creates. Each AI build or edit produces an artifact card in the chat, and any of them can be restored in a single click. Let's learn what has changed. Every build or edit from the AI assistant produces an inline card in the chat, and the card matching the canvas carries a purple border, so the active iteration is always identifiable. Clicking Show in Version History opens the Version History tab, where AI and manual versions appear on a single unified timeline. Version history remains the single source of truth for version numbering. Restoring an older iteration keeps newer ones restorable. Iterations can be moved between freely, and none are destroyed. Let's learn how to access and restore AI iteration versions. Prompt the AI assistant to build or edit your workflow. An artifact card appears in chat, with a purple border indicating it is the current version. Prompt another change. The new card takes the border, and the previous card gains Restore this version in its three-dot menu. Use the three-dot menu on any card to restore that iteration or open it in version history. Tying every AI iteration to a restorable artifact makes the assistant safe to boldly edit without risking lost work. Routing those iterations into the same timeline as manual versions keeps version history authoritative and easy to use. We hope you enjoy it.